Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my March or Aries Magical Earth box. I love this subscription box. I've been getting it since, let me see, Scorpio, so October, and I'm excited to share it with you guys today. Oh, it's upside down. A little bit rough this time, just popped out of me, but maybe it's just because it's just overflowing with goodies. Let's check it out. Also, Mercury's retrograde, so Lord knows Lord knows what can go wrong. So this is pretty cool. They did a little bit different insert this time. Look at you, Ace of Swords. Awesome. Let's see what that means for me. Ace of Swords shows the beginning of a situation whose potential is as double-edged as the blade of the sword itself. Awesome. I love those situations. The ace implies the use of great power, even excessive power at times, to further one's ends, but what is not clear is how those powers will be used or what it is that you are trying to achieve. No matter what the goal, there is always great power behind the attempts to reach it, and as such, very little can stand in the way of the energy of the Ace of Swords without being destroyed. The Ace of Swords represents a period of great insight and mental clarity. It signifies a breakthrough or an aha moment where suddenly conscious understanding and mental reasoning reach their peak. An achievement of goals suddenly becomes a lot easier. You have a new understanding of some issue that has been of concern, or in a broader sense, a new worldview. It goes on, but you get the picture. I will say, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, swords are not my favorite suit in the deck. Oh, beautiful. The beautiful journal with a tree of life on it. It's leather. It smells good. It's got nice. This is about the stone, so I'm guessing there's an emerald in here somewhere. This is, of course, my astrological forecast for the month. I read it every morning when I get up. Leo, follow your heart toward the path of your true dreams and encourage others to do the same. Whether alone or with others, be true to yourself, Leo. True that. There's the information about the person who makes the report. Aries, they've got a little different look this time, and I'm digging it. I really like the boxes. Sometimes, though, these are out of order. Ooh, March 20th has got a really long one. Which, in and of itself, isn't a problem. It's just the first time that it happened, I thought that all the days were missing. And so, I didn't realize that it was just out of order. So now if I see a missing day, I know to check. But this one's in perfect order, so yay, hooray. This is Shungite. Shungite is said to be the miracle stone and or the stone of life. It is known for its incredible healing and protection properties. It's flat. It's like a really nice worry stone. I'm digging that. This is an emerald. It's gotta be an emerald. Beautiful. What do we got here? Oh, what do we got here? Aww. Beautiful. I love it. Wow, I love it. Okay. Cool. I love to bullet journal and write and make lists and keep notes, so that's a really cool item, and I've never gotten anything like it in another witchy box or beauty box. Night bloom, apothecary, floral water, rose, hibiscus, and citrus. Distilled water infused with the essence of rose, hibiscus, mandarin orange, and lemon. Witch hazel, jojoba, rosehip, lang lang essential oil, rose essential oil, mandarin essential oil, lemon essential oil. Shake bottle lightly before each use. Floral water is great for use as a toner, skin freshening mist, makeup setting spray, makeup removing, and also as an effective astringent. Cool. Let's smell it. Ooh, it smells nice. I don't usually like rose smell, but I do like rose water. And that smells more flowery and citrusy than like a pure rose, so that's really, really nice. Oh, God bless it. It's so cute. I love it. I love it, guys. It's a little feather, and it's got a key. It's got a shamrock. It's got a little bell. It's got another little feather and some green stones. It's really, really pretty. I'm guessing this is a bookmark. I love it. And then this is Hawaiian Moon Aloe. Ooh. It's kind of like blobby in there, but that's okay. Let's read a little bit about what's in here. Emerald, to give you aspiration and inspiration. Shungite, the crystal of life, a stone of transformation and protection. Svorski Crystal Pen. This beautiful pen writes great and is filled with beautiful crystals. A leather journal, ordered and designed by us, handmade in India from a wonderful woman. Jade Crystal Bookmark. Made by us, the key represents us giving you the key to your creative nature. The four-leaf clover for luck. The feather represents growth and abundance, and the bell to urge you forward. Clearing spray. Oh, I'm going to have a visitor here any second. I'm making a video, honey. Are you whispering? Okay, be quiet. Hawaiian Moon Aloe Lotion. Amazing lotion we had to share. Look up Hawaiian Moon for much more information about this amazing lotion. Monthly astrological overview and brief personalized sun sign horoscope, and a tarot card mindfully drawn for you. So that's how to share the information, and that's basically about the content of this box. Hi, honey.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
I want my stove.
Okay, can I finish this? Will you go out and wait for me and I'll be right there? Okay. I'll be right there. Go ahead. So this is my Magickal Earth box for Aries. I really love it. I've been digging this box a lot since I started getting it. I really like, it's very different from my other witchy boxes that I get, and it's more of an astrological theme, but honestly, I could honestly give this to most anybody and they would get some kind of joy and pleasure from getting it and be able to use almost everything in the box. Frankly, I think it's very eclectic and very usable and very inspiring. I really like something every box. One time it was a beautiful, beautiful citrine. One time I got a peacock ore and a bamboo. Just lots, a little wish bottle, I think was in December. Just lots of stuff that I really, really am digging. So this is Magickal Earth. They're a great company. Check them out. This is their premium box, which is $50 a month. But they do have a smaller box. Similar to this, but a little bit less items for less money, somewhere around $30. I'll leave the link below. And then they have a bath box, which is bath items, for around $30. So I'll leave the link so you can check them out yourself. They're an amazing company. And I will see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for sharing this video with me. I know it's a little long and I was interrupted, but it's a pleasure to share this with you, and I look forward to making some videos for you guys this weekend. I have to do my 300 subscriber giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I just haven't had time to prepare because I did work a really long work week and I'm really tired. So thanks for listening to me ramble. If you have any comments, concerns, thoughts, please leave me a comment below. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for everything. I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I'll see you soon.